Hello, children. In EVS, today we will start a new chapter, Chapter 8 Air. So, first of all, let's do the reading of the chapter. Air covers the whole earth, it is all around us. This is a lucky thing. There would be no living beings on earth without air. What is air? Air is a mixture of many gases. A lot of it, about 3/4, is nitrogen. There is quite a bit, about 1/5 of oxygen too. Then there is a bit of carbon dioxide and other gases. Air also has water vapor and dust. How air helps. All plants and animals take in air. They use the oxygen in it to get energy from food. Then they throw out the rest of the air mixed with carbon dioxide from their body. Carbon dioxide is made inside the body when food changes to energy. Plants need carbon dioxide from air to make food. Carbon dioxide and water combines inside a plant to produce food and oxygen. This oxygen is thrown out by plants. This is how the oxygen in air does not get over, though all living beings use it. Air helps to burn things. Nothing would burn without air. Actually, it is the oxygen in air that helps burn things. Without air, we would not be able to burn coal, petrol, kerosene, and so on. Air helps in other ways too. We fill the tires of cycles, cars, buses, trucks with air. Air-filled tires can carry the weight of a busload of people. Moving air or wind can exert a lot of pressure. During a storm, for example, the rushing air can uproot trees. We use this wind power to do many things like moving sailboats. In olden days, people used the power of wind to turn the blades of windmills. The turning blades helped to grind grains and pump water. Now we use the turning of blades by the wind to produce electricity. Air occupies space. Though you cannot see air, it occupies space. Do this activity to see yourself. Push a balloon into an empty plastic bottle. Turn the neck of the balloon and stretch it over the mouth of the bottle. Blow hard into the balloon. You will not be able to blow up the balloon because the bottle is full of air. There is no space for more air in the bottle. Normally, when you blow up a balloon, the air around it moves to make space for it, but the air in the bottle cannot move out because the mouth of the bottle is covered by the balloon. Air has weight. Like everything else around you, air has weight. This activity will prove it. Tie a string around center of a ruler. Hang the string of something so that the ruler can move about. The ruler should remain horizontal. If it tilts to one side, shift the string slightly towards that side. Now, if you hang equal weights from the two ends of the ruler, it will remain horizontal. Check this out by hanging two balloons of the same size. This is just like the weighing balance vegetable vendors or grocers use. Blow up one of the balloons. The ruler will tilt downwards on the side on which you hang the blown up balloon. The weight of the air in the balloon pulls down the ruler. Air exerts pressure. Air is not as airy as you think. It can apply a lot of pressure. We use this to make it do useful things like lifting loads. This activity will show how. Place a polythene bag under 2 or 3 books. Blow into the polythene bag and see how air exerts pressure to lift the books. More about air. When air is cooled, it contracts or takes less space. When it is heated, it expands or takes more space. When something contracts, it becomes heavier. Heavier things move downwards or sink in liquids and gases. A coin, for example, is heavier than water. When you drop a coin into a glass of water, it sinks. In the same way, cold air sinks. That is why you feel it on your toes when you open the refrigerator. When something expands, it becomes lighter. Lighter things move upwards. For example, ice is lighter than water, so a cube of ice floats in a glass of water. Oil is lighter than water. Oil too floats on water. In the same way, hot air moves upwards. Do this activity to see yourself. Take few strips of paper to a pencil. Tape a few thin strips of paper to a pencil. Hold the pencil a little above a toaster, lamp, or burning candle. The strips will flutter because the hot air rises and pushes them. So, this is the reading of the chapter.